We're going to begin, though, with the new reporting on the man who's charged with the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO. 26-year-old Luigi Mangione is his name. Shouted to cameras yesterday in Pennsylvania as officers tried to hurry him into court. He is fighting extradition to New York, where he has been charged with second-degree murder now. We're also getting new insights into Mangione's background from a friend who lived with him in Hawaii. Lilia Luciano's in Pennsylvania, where Mangione is being held. Lilia, good morning. A lot of people following this story.
Good morning. When Luigi Mangione stepped into that courtroom, he had an air of just defiance. He seemed annoyed at times. Sometimes he was turning around and looking directly at where we in the media were sitting down. He mumbled, and at one time he spoke out of place. His attorney had to tell him to shut up. And this is how it all began, with this outburst when he went into the courthouse.
Completely out of touch, and it's an insult to the intelligence of the American people.
Shouting and struggling with law enforcement who forced him into a Pennsylvania courthouse Tuesday, Luigi Mangione was denied bail as he awaits possible extradition to New York. But the attorney said yesterday he was not provided the proper documents about the murder charge.
I haven't seen any evidence that says that he's the shooter.
Police say the 26-year-old was arrested with a 3D printed gun, a silencer, and a handwritten 3-page document in which investigators say he claimed responsibility for the shooting. It read in part, "These parasites simply had it coming."
He explained his reasons for doing what he did, which in his mind was precisely to deplore the state of healthcare in the United States. He certainly was trying to justify what he was doing.
NYPD intelligence officers believe the suspect may have been inspired by terrorists like Ted Kaczynski. Mangione had not posted on X since June, but he often wrote on social media about a back injury.
I do know that he was suffering from a spinal misalignment that had been ongoing for quite some time, and that something had to do with his care back home. So he always was weighing on him returning home so that he could see his doctor.
R.J. Martin and Mangione became close friends while the two were living in Hawaii in recent years.
I notice you're getting emotional. What makes you feel this way?
I just feel heartbroken, somebody that I loved and cared about, that could have done something so hideous, but also that, his life effectively is probably forever over and altered, and it just hurts.
Because he is fighting his extradition, it could take days or weeks before the process even begins for a trial for him to be extradited to New York and face those murder charges. Also, we're hearing from authorities here in Altoona and in New York that there's concern this could lead to wider violence.
All right, Lilia, thank you.